So what is the difference between the traditional machine learning versus deep learning? So as you know, machine learning is good, but deep learning gives more better accuracy and performance over machine learning, right? Results. So, and then machine learning takes less time to train because deep learning requires huge data. So that's why deep learning require huge data, and it's like there the number of parameters that we learn are huge as compared to machine learning, and that's why it has machine learning has limited tuning capabilities, and deep learning has can be tuned in various different ways. But one thing about deep learning is, guys, it requires minimum feature engineering, and machine learning requires a lot of feature engineering. So if you see this example in machine learning, if you give a car as an input, so you will have to do some feature extraction on your behalf. From that image you will extract RGB features and a lot of different things, and then you will perform the classification, and then that classification will ultimately say that it is a car or not. But in deep learning happens is you just give a bunch of images. Let's say I give 100 images and tell you that it is a car, and I give you to the network, and then network figure out the features, like which features to keep and which features not to keep. So this is how deep learning works, and that's why it requires huge data. Okay, but this is again good thing about deep learning, that you don't have to do all those feature extraction things. So so where from 2001 it all began with ImageNet classification challenge in computer vision. So it is a challenge where we have 1000 different classes. Okay, 1000 different classes of different images. Okay, we have some, let's say one class as leopard, and then in that particular class of leopard we have thousands and 2000 or 5000 images of leopard. Then we have motor scooter or mushroom or a car or cat. All these, there are many classes: umbrella, cloth, t-shirts, shoes. Many classes are there. And so it all started from 2002 2003. So this ImageNet challenge was earlier performed using machine learning algorithms, but when in after 2012, when uh, dropouts were invented. So I'll come to it later, but what is dropouts and how it improved the state of deep learning. But when dropouts were invented, different machine neural network models came into play. And now from 2005, when the accuracy on ImageNet challenge was around 30 40 35%, it is in 2012 it has reached to 70 75%. And now you won't believe that it has reached to the accuracy of 99 90, in even 98 99%. So this is the huge leap with the deep learning neural networks over the machine learning.